In the landscape of aviation, there are few players as iconic as Boeing. Yet, as we stand today, March 26, 2024, the company is in the throes of significant turbulence. News has just broken that CEO David Calhoun has stepped down, prompting a flurry of speculation and concern. But this development is merely one piece of a much larger puzzle. For a company once lauded with the phrase, "If it's not Boeing, I'm not going," the narrative has shifted to a more skeptical, "If it's Boeing, should I be going?" This is a story that extends far beyond the departure of a single executive. It's a tale of systemic issues that have left Boeing in a precarious position, underscored by a thinly veiled jab from Airbus. The descent of Boeing from the zenith of aviation to its current struggles serves as a stark reminder of the volatility of fortunes. With a reputation for leading the charge in safety and innovation, the company now finds itself grappling with a string of mishaps and quality control failures. These are not temporary setbacks, but symptoms of deep-rooted systemic issues that have been simmering for years. The root of Boeing's problems can be traced back to a strategic shift in the early 2000s. The focus moved away from engineering excellence to an emphasis on financial performance. This change, driven by previous leadership, placed short-term financial gains and shareholder value above the fundamental principles of safety and quality. The repercussions of these decisions, including aggressive cost-cutting, outsourcing, and a lack of regard for the voices of engineers, customers, and regulators, have planted the seeds for the crises we see today. This pursuit of outpacing Airbus led to an environment where safety warnings from engineers were often overlooked. The mantra of faster, cheaper began to cast a shadow over the meticulous craftsmanship required in aviation. This gap between executive decisions and the realities of aircraft manufacturing has resulted in compromised safety, leading to tragedies and causing irreparable damage to Boeing's reputation. As the company attempts to weather this storm, the pandemic has further deepened its problems. A significant talent drain and reliance on less experienced personnel have added to its challenges. This predicament was pointedly highlighted by the president of Airbus, who subtly criticized Boeing while reiterating their commitment to safety. This not only underscores the depth of Boeing's troubles, but also marks a shift in the industry, with Airbus emerging as a beacon of reliability and trust. The departure of David Calhoun from Boeing is more than just a change in leadership. It's a symptom of much deeper, structural issues within the company. The problems faced by Boeing cannot be resolved by a simple change in leadership. They call for a fundamental shift in priorities, culture, and operational ethos. As we consider the current state of Boeing, it's clear that the path towards reclaiming its former glory is fraught with challenges that are as much about culture and values as they are about engineering and safety.